If you make it to step 6, you are already an automation engineer. You're trying to be an SDET, a software engineer in test, software development engineer in test. I've created an 8-step plan to become an QA automation engineer. And right now we're talking about step number 6. Number 1 is learn the language, then learn the basics of testing, learn front-end automation, learn databases, learn API testing. Now you're going to learn Docker. Docker is one of the hottest technologies out there right now. It is not a QA technology. It is a software engineering technology. Everybody that builds software will use it. It is a way to package software and ship it. And when you're shipping it, QAs are making sure it gets shipped correctly, making sure everything works, right? We are testers. We're testing it. So we have to know how Docker works so we can test the application that is running in Docker. 1. 2, we can also package our code, right? We are writing code that tests other code. So we are developers. We are building stuff. So even the code we write, we're going to package it in Docker. It makes it easier to move around. It makes it easier to integrate with CI/CD pipelines. So you have to learn Docker, even though Docker is not a QA tool. Just because I talk a lot about Docker, a lot of people think I'm a DevOps. I'm not DevOps, right? I'm a software engineer in test. But Docker is not just a DevOps tool. It is an all engineers tool. So you will pick up Docker. That's going to make you a much more powerful engineer. So that's going to be the number 6 on your journey, making sure you pick that up after you do all those things. Everything you've done from 1 to 5, then, well, almost everything. Then on number 6, you put it together into Docker. You're going to need all of those things. Docker by itself doesn't do anything. You need some kind of code that you're going to use Docker for. So in all the steps, especially step 1, step 3, step 5, you're going to write code. On all those code, you're going to go and Dockerize it. That's the right way. You're going to Dockerize it. You're going to use Docker. So make sure you learn Docker. And Docker is part of my community, part of my courses. When you join my program, you are going to learn Docker. That's one of the biggest things. That's what makes you different than just QA automation. You're going to be an SDET. So make sure you check that out. Make sure you check out my website. Make sure you check out the description in the bio. And if you want to work with me one-on-one, make sure you check that out too.